Click on the link below to get price. The AlorAir Storm Ultra Industrial Dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed to tackle heavy-duty dehumidification needs, making it an exceptional choice for large-scale applications such as basements, warehouses, and restoration projects. With a remarkable capacity of 190 pints per day, this model is engineered to extract moisture efficiently, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. One of the standout features of the Storm Ultra is its robust construction. Built with durable materials, it is well equipped to withstand the rigors of industrial settings. The unit is compact yet powerful, and its design includes a convenient LCD display that provides real-time humidity levels, making it easy for users to monitor conditions at a glance. The intuitive controls simplify operation, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels effortlessly. Another significant advantage of the AlorAir Storm Ultra is its energy efficiency. This model operates with a low power consumption, ensuring that it can run continuously without a significant impact on utility bills. The unit also features an automatic shutoff function, which activates once the tank is full, preventing overflow and potential water damage. Moreover, the dehumidifier comes with a heavy-duty pump that allows for continuous drainage, making it ideal for long-term use without the need for manual emptying of the water tank. This feature is particularly beneficial for large spaces or during extensive water damage restoration efforts, providing peace of mind that the unit can handle the workload. The customer support and warranty offered by AlorAir further enhance the appeal of this dehumidifier. With a comprehensive 5-year warranty, users can have confidence in the product's durability and reliability. Overall, the AlorAir Storm Ultra Industrial Dehumidifier stands out in the market for its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and robust design. It is an excellent investment for anyone needing a reliable solution for moisture control in demanding environments, ensuring optimal conditions and preventing mold and mildew growth effectively.